All right, y'all. Happy Wednesday again here at 10:49. Whew. So you've completed your benchmark test. Thank you for working so hard on that. Now we're going to jump back in here with topic 1, scene 2. So for each one of your topics, you're going to have 3 topics. So you could organize it into 3 paragraphs. It's up to you. But for each topic, you are going to have a topic sentence, and then you are going to support your topic sentence using evidence from the text. Now, I'm going to give you an example. You don't have to use my example, but I'm going to show you how I came up with it. So, I'm going to open up, remember we're using 2 texts. Hold on just one sec. All right, so I'm going to move this over here so we can see both of our texts. All right, so I got 2 things open here. I'm going to be looking at my timeline, and I'm going to be looking at the play. Hey. All right, so let's look at the timeline. So here we are. Here's our timeline. Now remember, I was really interested in this Nuremberg information. In fact, I could write a whole essay just about the Nuremberg laws and how they affected. But here we are. My example would be Anne, Frank, and Peter having that discussion about the Star of David. So, and this isn't going to be perfect, but let me show you kind of what I'm thinking here. So what's my topic sentence going to be? I could say something like, the playwrights show the effect of the Nuremberg laws on the Jewish people in Act 1, Scene 2 of their play. Then I explain it using evidence from the text. So, in Scene 2, Anne and Peter talk about what they will do with the Star of David that they were forced to wear. So, as I read through this, I think, am I going deep enough with this? I probably need to go deeper. So, I come back up. Playwrights show the effect of the Nuremberg laws on the Jewish people in Act 1, scene of their play. In this, or in these laws, the Jewish people were forced to wear a Star of David. So now I can get rid of this down here, and then I go back and read what I wrote. The playwrights show the effect of the Nuremberg laws on the Jewish people in Act 1, Scene 2 of their play. In these laws, the Jewish people were forced to wear a Star of David. In Scene 2, Anne and Peter talk about what they will do with the Star of David. Now, using my graphic organizer, I kind of just wanted to show you guys where my thoughts were going, but in the topic spot, I could write I could do Nuremberg laws, Star of David, and then for details, I could list 3 things from the text. So detail 1, I could say Peter and Anne discuss. Come on, sorry about this. I'm trying to copy and paste it. Paste. All right, so for my next detail, I could say Peter wants to burn. And if you remember, Anne does not want to burn it. Anne wants to save. And then you could go into why that is. Me either. All right, so you're going to use this section of your graphic organizer to help you plan out your topic paragraphs. Now, what I wrote over here is not an entire topic paragraph. This just gets me started, but I kind of wanted you to see my thought process for that.